Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narendra and welcome back to B10X. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you: how to create a website analytics dashboard in Excel. But before we dive into that, I would like to let you know about something special. B10X is offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description. We'll dive deeper into it later in the video.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint, or Word in your day to day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
Now let's talk about website analytics dashboard. Ever wondered how to track your website's performance efficiently? Excel can be your best friend for this task. With just few simple steps, you can create a comprehensive dashboard to monitor key metrics like traffic, engagement, and conversations. For this video, we are going to use ChatGPT. So first of all, I'm going to ask ChatGPT how to create a website analytics dashboard in Excel. As you can see, here we got the output. So it includes total 10 steps, which are: first one is gather data, second one is organize your data, third one is create pivot tables, then visualize your data, design your dashboard, add interactivity, format your dashboard, update your dashboard regularly, share your dashboard, review and iterate. So first of all, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a dummy data to create a dashboard. As you can see, here is a dummy data. We have date, page views, then unique visitors, bounce rate, time on page in minutes. Okay, I'm going to copy this data into our Excel sheet. As you can see, I have copied the entire data into our Excel sheet. So I have formatted this data as a table. So before we create a dashboard, let's pause for a moment to talk about something crucial: the impact of AI on our careers. We are witnessing a rapid transformation in the job market, with AI replacing traditional roles and reshaping industries. But here's the thing: AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. To stay ahead in this AI driven world, it's essential to upskill and adapt to new technologies. That's why I highly recommend joining our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI Tools Workshop. Will equip you with the best AI tools to boost your productivity, enhance your skills, and future proof your career. Don't let the fear of automation hold you back. Invest in yourself and secure your future with us. Click the link below in the description to sign up for our workshop now. Now, back to our topic. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help us in creating pivot tables. Okay. So, as you can see, here we have a few of the options. Okay, so design your pivot table. So first of all, we have to drag a date field into the rows area. Then here in values, we have to drag fields like page views, unique visitors, bounce rate, time on page into the values area. Okay. Here we will use sum function. So let's create this pivot table first. Okay, first of all we have to go to insert tab. Then we have to click on pivot table. So here I'm just selecting the table. I want to create pivot table in the new worksheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag date into rows area and rest of the columns into values area. Okay, page views, unique visitors, bounce rate, time on page. Okay, so here is a one pivot table. So we can customize this pivot table. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT to create another pivot table. So this time what we are going to do is you have to drag date field into rows area. Then we have to right click on any date in the pivot table. Then we have to select group and then we have to choose months to group the dates by month. Then we have to drag other fields into the values area to summarize them. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to drag a date into rows. Okay, so as you can see here, I've dragged date column into the rows area. Then what I have to do is right click on any date in the pivot table. Then you have to click on group. So here we have to choose months to group the dates by month. Okay. Then we have to drag other fields. So here is a pivot table and here is our first pivot table. We can easily create a pivot chart here. Same thing here also, we can easily create a pivot chart. We can copy the charts and we can place them in the new worksheet. So in this way we can create a dashboard. So as of now we don't have much data to create a entire dashboard. That's why I'm just showing you how to create a dashboard using ChatGPT. So this thing will help you when you're building a product or you're working on your own website or for your client. So this dashboard will come handy to analyze the data. And there you have it. a step-by-step guide to creating a website analytics dashboard in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And if you are serious about advancing your career and mastering AI tools, be sure to check out our workshop link in the description below. We would love to have you join us. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. We'll see you in the next one.